Welcome everybody. Today I am going to explain you how to install Python on 64-bit Windows operating system. So first of all, you should open browser, then just type google.com and here type Python and then press enter key. You will get official website of the Python, that is python.org. So just open it, then just move cursor on this download option. So here you will get one more option, that is all release. So just click on it, then you will be directed to this particular window. So here you can see latest version of Python for Windows operating system. While making the video, the latest version of Python was 3.10.1. So just click on download Python button. So see, exe file will get downloaded. Click on it. The installation process will start as soon as you click on this particular exe file. Then here at the bottom you can see one message, add Python 3.10 to the path. So on left hand side you can see one checkbox, so just select it, then click on customize installation, then click on next, and here ensure that all checkbox they are selected, and after that click on install. The installation will start. This installation process will take some time. Time required will depend upon your internet speed. Now the setup was successful, means installation is completed successfully. So just click on close button. Now I want to check whether Python is installed or not. So just open command prompt, and on command prompt you should type the command like python space hyphen hyphen version and then hit enter key. So here you will be able to see the version of Python which is currently available in this particular operating system. So the version of Python which is installed on this particular operating system is 3.10.1. So in this way we have installed Python successfully on Windows operating system. Thank you.